So while I was browsing Modern Vespa the other day, I came across this thread that is dedicated to posting pictures of barges, explaining why they're bad, and helping others to avoid such a purchase. What is a barge, you might ask? Well, in order to get an answer, we go to the only trustworthy source of information on the internet, Urban Dictionary, which defines a barge as a quick and dirty job, something that's been done very hastily to make it look good for the next couple days and then have it fall apart. So we are happy to announce the launch of our sister channel, That's Scooter Barge, which is dedicated to exactly this task. There's a link to this channel in the video description. The way this works is viewers can send in clips of their bikes or bikes that they want to purchase, and we have an expert who's going to give his opinion and an assessment of the situation. To give you an idea what this looks like, here are a few examples. The first bike is coming from the roads of Wisconsin. It is genuine from 2005, and there have been some aftermarket modifications been done to it. However, one thing clearly stood out to our expert that made this bike unfit for public roads.
It's a Stella.
Next up is another viewer bike, this time from South Africa, and it is a Sprint 150, which is very prone to barging. Here the problem clearly is the paint. That horn is not supposed to be red.
Barge.
And then sometimes you come across a bike like this.
What the